Are you serious, brother? Oh my God. That's a lot of bricks.
Yeah.
Oh, in the front as well. Oh. Air ride.
Right.
Look at him. He's like ragging against this fence here. Look at him. And then I've slammed on and beeped at him. Now look at him. What the hell? He like dived on my car. Why did he do that? Look at me. He's like on my windscreen right where the cheeky gets. And then look at him.
What the fuck? Is it that bridge, isn't it? Mate. Oh my God. Shit, the fucking shit. Look at the state of that. He ain't got a job to. Oh,
that's gonna blow up, bruv. Fucking, I ain't waiting around there.
Fucking hell.
That's all the diesels pulling out and all that.
I got your phone down here. Man.
Ini cab driver और गाड़ी रुक रही है और से उल्टी है दूसरी गाड़ी direct head on smash. What the hell, man? Looking very good. It's a head on collision from opposite ends. अच्छा recente tanja khaya गाड़ी दो है morra la iman nai din nai.
So I've only had the fan for 4 months, and this is when a lovely BMW driver thought, you know what, fuck it, let's open him up like a tin can. Look at that. Never trust BMW drivers, seriously.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Victim of the awful second murder by her own husband, had a friend called Shelley who's going to tell us about her. Plus, was losing your hair the biggest hurt from your...
No. Josh was blocked in the market. Mal is that's how they're going to lift in it, and this is how they're going to attempt to move a car. Let's see, does this work or not? Josh, that should go in further, I reckon.
Yeah.
Oh!
Come on!
Might as well get out of that.